Hey guys, what is up? Welcome to the State of Crypto. One-stop search for all crypto news and technical analysis. I'm your host Martin, and this is episode, what are we at today? 409. Hey John Tigey Jr. Hey Steve, how's it going, man? Tonight, crypto, technical, and, stocks. So, great stuff. If you're catching this from live, welcome. And if you're catching the replay and having suggestions for us, please leave us a comment below. We really want to know what you're thinking. Also, if you want to be up to date with the latest crypto-related news, make sure to subscribe, hit that like button and that bell so you're notified when we go live. If you want to keep on chatting with us, once the stream is done, join us on the Discord. Links in the description. You can also join me on Twitter, man. Links also in the description. Now, a guy from the Pepper Lover community asked me to send him the... guy from... yeah, I'm live. So, yeah. Asked me to share, but placing it here then, I guess. There we go, man. I placed it. Awesome. If you guys are watching me live, thank you for being here. And now I'll just let y'all know that we are freaking live. Great stuff tonight. A lot of stuff happening. Live. All right, cool. There we go, man. Awesome. So let's go and talk crypto, man. What is happening with crypto tonight? Well, first of all, market cap not really giving a damn about bearish divergence, right? We've already established that. We're managing to still go much higher. Again, we still have bearish divergence, right, against the RSI from way, way back here, right? High, lower high, as we're going much higher. I think that's the only one that I can move. The one, the shorter time scale, it just kind of died, man, for reals. Look, we're going from a low to a higher point. Thus, this one is getting negated. This one's getting negated. But again, on that larger time scale, we still have that bearish divergence. The only good thing is that we can still manage to pump a little bit more before we get to this same height on the overbought area at 89.15. That is going to be amazing, man. We're looking for a potential movement down, money flowing out of the cryptos here. But right now, with the bull run in full effect, like I said, there's a bigger chance that bearish divergence and bearish signals and indicators are not going to play out as strong. And that's something we've been saying for a while now, right? We're just calling them out because they're there. There's a chance that they could move us down slightly. But again, they still haven't really just come into place with strength. Anyways, sitting overbought right now, 81.40 on market cap. Bitcoin dominance at 66.95% market cap. Is it doing much? Not really, man. What is this, Steve? I think this thing is running to all-time high and smash. Maybe, dude. Maybe it's going to go to all-time highs. By the way, I'm drinking, guys. Cheers. I'm drinking some, ancho pepper liquor with a grapefruit soda and what else was the mix that they recommended? Salt and lime. Yeah, and ice. It's very nice. It's refreshing. It's a little bit spicy, dude. It's good. Good stuff. Anyways, market cap going up at 66.96% of market cap. Bitcoin, anyways. Where is it at? $18,835.50. $42.50. What do we talk about? Do you remember when we broke above this level? We said if we break above this level, it's going to be a quick run to 19,490. There's not a lot of resistance and friction at this area. Yeah, Ethereum broke, someone in the Pepper Lover community saying Ethereum broke 500. Yeah. Ethereum broke 500. Nintel Summer 2017 highs. Yeah, dude, it's doing good. Bitcoin is already very, very close to its all-time high, right? At almost. I think it's just less than 10% below, dude. Let's see. I think it's just it might be less than 10% below. Yeah, 5%, 6% below, almost 6%. So it's not a big pump that Bitcoin has to do to get there, right? So it's going to be interesting to see what's going to happen when Bitcoin gets to 19,469 and when it gets to 19,999. At least on this chart, that is the all-time high. There's different charts that have different highs. We've established that before. So on that note, we're still running, right? So Bitcoin not caring about the bearish divergence either. Look at that. Now we no longer have it here, right? We're trying to look for it. We are no longer having this. Now, do we have it from way back here? Not really, dude. Not even against the RSI. 84.77 right now. 84.42. Damn, dude. Very, very close, dude. Almost sideways motion here. But we're still creating that strong bearish divergence against the RSI. We just don't have it against the MACD, and that is fine. Remember we said if we move up here and we close above this area, we're gonna very likely gonna try to reach the next target, which is at 19,000 and change, right? 19,496. That is a target that we're going on for. There's a chance we could try to reach it hopefully tonight or today. We'll see. Again, it's going to be the weekend. It might be slow. Weekend, usually we get consolidation, right? Look, November 14, 15, right? I think that was last weekend. Yeah, 14, 15. That was Saturday and Sunday, right? We got a little bit of consolidation happening. So things might be a little bit slow. It's going to depend a lot on what China and Europe want to do. China's already live, so we could say that they're trying to raise the price a little bit more. But Europe is going to come in at 2 in the morning, and we'll see what Europe wants to do, whether or not they want to take profits or they want to keep on raising the price of Bitcoin. Anyways, we do have the bearish divergence again. It's going to be observant that there could be price action to the downside. If we go higher on the price of Bitcoin on the daily, the RSI will definitely go much higher. We're not going to have any bearish divergence, and then we could still go on running, and that's going to be insane because there's not going to be anything putting pressure on Bitcoin to move down. Where are we with regards to the rally that we're getting, right, on that parabolic run that we're doing? We're still far away from that curve, right? So we are still rising faster now, right, as we're going up higher, but any pullback could certainly get us to retest this area that we have here and see how this is going to behave once it retraces a little bit, right? Those are the options. There is a real possibility that we get some pullback. We have just been running since October the 7th, right? We have not gotten any real pullback. Here we're pulled back a little bit, but not too much. We just haven't gotten any real pullback happening here. Now, something that I'm going to do, I'm not going to call that the local high yet, but I am going to certainly try to see if I can go from high. There we go, man. Look at that. We're just going higher, right? That 233 retrace on the fifth node would be at 16,861. I doubt we're going to get there. Here, from low to high, we did get that small retrace. We did hit that 236. We didn't do anything deeper, and then we took a rally, right? So again, I'm not calling these the local high. I just want to see where a retrace fifth node would be, were this to be the local high from this local low that I'm calling back here. Anyways, Bitcoin doing good, man. I'm not upset with how the way Bitcoin is behaving, right? So very nice stuff. Let's go to the 4-hour chart and figure out what's happening there. Look, we had the bearish divergence. We called it. We set price action to the downside. We moved down, found support at the 20, taking that nice bounce, right? We even moved and hit support yesterday. We were talking about that. Finding support at this area would potentially get us to go higher. And that is precisely what's happening. What is going on here short term on the 4-hour? High, higher high. Positive, less positive. High on the RSI to a lower point on the RSI. Creating strong bearish divergence. There's a chance that we might get a movement down, or at least stalling happening here. It would not be weird if we get to 19,400 and change, whatever this target is up here. Again, I gotta move it a little bit. 19,496. Wouldn't be weird if we get there and still have bearish divergence and then face that resistance and try to pull back down a little bit, rest up before we try to rally again. That would be okay. We're overbought, creating bearish divergence, overbought. You know, there's a chance we might move down. We had it here, right? We were overbought. Look at that. With strong bearish divergence for potential movement down. And we move down. We don't have to crash, which just means we got to move down a little bit. Cool off, right? The oscillators got back to the bought area. Running up again, hitting that overbought area, creating that strong bearish divergence, which is very nice. Let's go to the 1-hour chart. Where are we on the 1-hour Bitcoin? We had bearish divergence yesterday. We did move down, found support, as we said, and tried to rally. So by the time we were live yesterday, there was not a lot going on. We were just trying to move up, right? We were here live. And we hit this nice green candle coming in here. And then it's just been an uphill since. So do we have anything going on here? From here at 8 in the morning, yesterday, till today, there's nothing. Low, low, high, positive or positive, high on the RSI to a higher point. Everything is good there. Now, what is happening here? We're going from high to a higher high. And from a high to our positive momentum to less positive momentum. And with that, we are creating the strong bearish divergence that could potentially get us to move down. We are moving down right now. We've just got 1, 2 candles coming down. Third candle seems to want to recover a little bit. It would be very nice if we come to the 20 moving average, find support before we try to run again. Now, that would be a good move. Where we're at on the RSI at 72.35, and here it's at 72.61. Slightly higher, so I'm not going to call that divergence against the RSI, just against the MACD. So again, be careful. There's a chance for Bitcoin to move slightly down, and sitting neutral at bought at 66.60 on the RSI. Let's see on the daily. How much did we gain yesterday? 4.81%. Today gaining 0.60%. Or yeah, technical tomorrow, right? Because the market's already open. So let's go ahead and look at Ethereum at $511, man. Bitcoin moving up, dude. Is that good? Yes, man. There was a question. Sorry, Steve. I know you asked the question on the Discord. I wasn't able to reply to you. I was super busy with work today. But yes, there was a resistance. The resistance I had at 507. I did trace more resistance to the upside, right? I went back and looked farther into the past and looked for areas that could pose potential resistances as we moved up. We have the next one at 547. Now it's, there we go. So what's going on with Ethereum, right? We broke above that 507 area. We did move down today. We hit a low of 506.98, which is very close to a $507.73 area. So within $1, it's a nice hit, and we're taking a bounce from there. We try to move slightly higher. We hit the top of the Bollinger Bands, but we're really not going up with a lot of strength. Now, last day or yesterday, we just managed to get above this area for 107. Now we gotta confirm that we're gonna stay above there. How do we confirm? Well, today would be a good confirmation day, right? Closing above there, or above 507.73 today, will give us confirmation that we are above that area, and we could try to move higher. Sometimes we get fake outs, right? We close here for a day, still on the, we maybe close on the red, and then the next day we just move slightly farther down. But if we manage to close here green, there's going to be a better chance that Ethereum can still go on higher, and that's going to be very good for the market. Now, where's Ethereum? We're looking for bearish divergence. Guess what? We still have it, right? Look, I said yesterday, we were like here. If we could still go to this level and still have bearish divergence, and we did. We went higher, we still have bearish divergence. We just don't have it against the RSI. Let me just double check. 69.34 and 69.29. We still have that. Beautiful. There's that potential for action to the downside. We're gonna get rid of this divergence very quick because we're very close on the RSI on today. If this stays where it's at, we might get rid of it. If it pulls slightly down, we're not gonna have it. If it goes slightly higher, we'll definitely get rid of it. So that's what is in store for Ethereum on the daily. Again, very nice moves. We're moving up out of this rising channel, which is good. We had the breakout. Now we're breaking out above 507, and that is good stuff, man. That's a good bullish moves. Now, what's going on in the 4-hour Ethereum? Coming in higher, right? We had bearish divergence against the RSI, and it's there, man. It's there still. Look, we can even still go from here and go to the new higher here and just track that onto there, and we still have strong bearish divergence against the RSI. Again, like I said yesterday, I'm not putting a lot of stock on this because it's from a very large time frame, right? It is legit the previous all-time high, the previous high on the RSI to the new higher high on the RSI, and that's what we're tracing it for. Now, where we had it played out, we had it to here, we had it to here, we got the move down, right? And we found the 20, which was the target, and we took a bounce. Now we faced resistance at 507. As you can tell, look, we rejected it once, we rejected it twice, and the third time was a charm. We broke above. We already tested once to the downside, finding support. We tested again today, this 4-hour candle, finding support still, and that is good, man. We're finding support at this area. I don't like the fact that we're going red. I'm gonna have to check and see that we don't have anything bearish. 3.34, 3.26. We do have some very slight, but it's still there. Strong bearish divergence. That could mean potential action to the downside. It could be why we're getting those red candles happening here and that struggle to really break above that 507. So the question is my target right? On the 1-hour chart, which is where I'm targeting, it is right? The zones that I have, 507.73, it's a zone. It could go to 510, it could go to 505, right? There's a range. Because I pinpointed on the daily, so there's a bit better chance that on the shorter time scales I could get better touch points. But as established on the 4-hour, I cannot go farther back onto the charts, farther back than January, right? And we've seen it live. Like, I cannot see farther back, so I'm just targeting on the daily, and it could be off a little bit, maybe in a couple dollars. But it is what it is, right? It's what we have. And again, targets have been nice. We're holding support, still works. Now we have something here, 72.26, 74, now going higher. Again, we have from way back here. I don't want to force this again just to call something against the RSI. We still have it against the MACD. Let's just go with that, and let's go to the 1 hour chart. We're sitting overbought at 74.48 on the RSI. If you guys like what we do, hit that like, that bell, and that sub. Woohoo. A lot of alcohol, dude. That thing, it says it's liquor, but it has like 40% alcohol, dude. I think that's just like stronger, right? It's like tequila, dude. So I thought liquor is supposed to have like less alcohol, right? When you see like orange liquor or stuff like that, it's usually like 15% by volume. Like even limoncello, I think it's like freaking low. But this thing is like good, man. It has a kick. It's nice. Now, what's happening here? What do we have on the 1 hour Ethereum? Well, we had bullish divergence, right? We had that yesterday at 3 in the morning. We were here live somewhere, maybe here still, right? And we said, look, we failed to drop lower than the previous low. We're still going to run, and run we did. We finally broke up above this resistance, and then we just run to this part, right? Again, 507. Look at how many times we touched. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 times. Finally break, and now we're using that support a couple times. And still, again, right now we're also happening to find support there at the 20 moving average, which is extremely good. That means this 507 is becoming a little more consolidated as a support, because we happen to have the 20 there and 507 as a support. So we have a double support there, which could really hold and provide some support for Ethereum at this area, which is okay. Now we can try to go on a rally after a hit of the 20. It's really going to depend a lot on what the market wants to do. If Bitcoin has a slow day, we could still run a little bit more. John Tiger, first time checking out my stream, but am I watching any small cap coins, or do I even mess with those? Yes, I do. If you request coins, I'll check them out. I have some small cap coins. I have DVT. I have RSR. I have other small cap coins, right? To name a few. But yeah, if you request anything, I check them out. Usually on the stream, I go the main market first. I go Bitcoin, Ethereum, XRP, Litecoin, Binance. Then I do DVT, and then it's fair game. So whatever you guys request, I'll check. Usually, Steve, he requests ADA. So I know for a fact when I see Steve, I'll just do ADA. I can do XLM. I can do whatever you guys want. So long as I can chart it either on CoinMarket or on TradingView or on another exchange, I'll do my best to chart it, right? Sometimes the exchanges or the tools that they have, even though it's provided by TradingView, is not really the best experience for charting, right? We struggle to find the stuff there. Mainly because of the way they have the layout. But if you request something, yes, I'll check it out, man. So it's no problem. We've checked out plenty of small cap coins. We've gotten into like Electronium. What else, dude? Nimic. This is not such a small cap, but Nimic. Yuma. Wi-Fi or Yeefi, however you want to call it. But we also do that one. That one's super expensive though. But yeah, we do check out a lot of stuff. So yeah, whatever you request, we'll check out. Right, so long as we can chart it. So what's going on from back here, right? High on the RSI, higher point, right? Higher. Everything's good. There was nothing bearish going on until now. Now what is happening now? Oh, dude, stuff we don't like. There's stuff that we do like and stuff that we don't like. First, the stuff we don't like. There's bearish divergence. There's first one here at the 1 hour chart, right? We'll do this so we don't have to anchor later on. And now we can just keep on doing this again on this chart. A little quicker, right? There's one there, and then here, right? Look at that. Boom, boom, slightly lower. So strong bearish divergence. Potential fraction to the downside. We did come down, found support, try to go on a rally. What's happening on that rally? Look, we're coming slightly higher, man. And we're still coming lower here, and we're still coming lower here, thus creating that strong bearish divergence still. But now we're moving down to the 20. And what's happening when we get to the 20? Dude, if you follow the stream, you already know probably what I'm going to be calling here. Look at this, man. Look at this. Some hidden bullish divergence against the MACD. Nothing against the RSI. But that hidden bullish is providing that support that we need at a critical point. Again, we're getting support on hidden divergence at a critical area at the 507 mark with the 20 moving average being there as support. And that is good, man. That means that it's going to be a little bit harder for Ethereum to break below this area. Again, a crash in Bitcoin. If Bitcoin crashes massively, it's going to move any coin down. It's not going to matter what the analysis said. But if Bitcoin remains still, there's a big or good chance that Ethereum could try to hold on to this. Again, We do have strong bearish. Strong bearish usually trumps hidden bullish. And we're going to know that depending on how we get the bounce here. If the bounce fails to go higher than this previous high here and the close at 516.43, if we fail to go higher than this area, you know, we could interpret that as being a bearish sign, right? We're too weak to go higher, and this divergence still comes into play and moves us down, right? Now that moving down could be again to this area, the 507. It could be to the 20, depending on where it's at. Or it could even try to break us below that 507. We might not even have support by the time we get there, but still. Usually this is for Ethereum now sitting neutral or bought barely at 60.22 on the RSI. Let's go check out XRP, man. What is happening with the XRP, bros? Well, some of you like XRP, some of you don't like XRP. You know I hodl some XRP. I have my bags. I have my experiment. It's fine. I'm still not out of XRP, man. Particularly because of the drop that they're gonna do with the what is it, dude? I forget the name. Flare Network, right? They're gonna drop Spark. So I'm still look. Today I was very, very tempted to sell it all, dude. And Jake asked, and I said I'm analyzing. The reason I was analyzing is because do I really want to sell right now? Have a chance that the price goes still higher, and by the time I want to get it again, so I can get into the snapshot for Flare release, just have less coins. And the answer is no. So I'm gonna still track the technicals for XRP. I don't want to cut my profits short, but I will definitely be looking to place a stop loss near where we're at. Because, dude, as you guys know, I took a massive, not a massive beating. I took a beating on XRP, and I'm break even again. So, and I'm break even because I was dumb. I was dumb because I made bot calls. I started doing stupid stuff in the market. When it was going wild, and I ended up taking a couple hits, and I lost a couple of XRPs. Not too much, but I lost enough to where it rose my exit point, right? So I am near break even now, so that's good, and I'm still gonna rally a little bit more on this, right? So again, you know, you gotta see a lot of streamers. They always talk about how good they're doing. They never talk about their hits. I talk about my hits. It's good, man. Everyone takes hits when trading. Someone tells you they're not taking hits when trading, they're not trading, or they're lying to you. Period. Everyone takes a hit. Now what do we have here? We're looking for that divergence. We no longer have it against the daily. That's beautiful, man. We rallied. Remember how I said we could try to get to this level? We got to this level and more, dude. We can get above that 33.6 cent mark. That is very nice. Now, I drew and had to go back and draw new highs or new resistances because I was out of resistances, right? The last one that I had was this one, the 32.761. We had not gotten above in a while. So, you know, I had to go back and look. We had it here. It was slightly broken, then we had it here as well. So I went back and used this as support, right, or resistance, and I used this as resistance because we seem to have faced there. And then slightly higher, just so I could have new resistances to the top as we start moving. At least I have some resistances up to 44.70 cents. And we'll see how that goes. Let's move on to XRP, and let's go on to the 4-hour chart. Do we have anything that we should be worrying about? Which I doubt, because XRP had a very nice run yesterday. Sorry, I didn't talk about the percentage rose. It rose 8%, right? Bitcoin rose 4. XRP rose 8. So finally, XRP is starting to do something. But again, if you don't believe me, go check out my tweet. Yeah, John, let us know which coins you want us to look at. So, I did go on Twitter and talked about this. If you would have bought XRP... If you would have bought an XRP on, when was it, dude? I even put a date. I think it was September the 23rd or something like that. Yeah. You could have bought XRP on September the 23rd at 22.11 cents and gotten gains up to today of 45%. They're probably a little bit more because I put this about 10 hours ago. You could have also invested in Bitcoin at 10,225.66 at the same date, and you would have gotten gains of 83%. So... investing is a numbers game. It's not a wishing game, and it's not a haters game, or it's a hype game. Hype does help, but it's not a hype game. Not because people are talking about a project and shilling a project, it means it's going to go to the moon. And a lot of people think because they see people talking about it, it's going to be good. It's going to do something. It's not how it works. Not how it works at all, right? So you gotta do your own research, right? You gotta know what you're getting into. You gotta have a strategy. You gotta have a plan. That's why, Steve, sometimes you ask me stuff and you tell me, like, dude, it's going to get in, it's going to get out. Dude, I don't know what your strategy is. I don't know how your bags are. I don't know how much risk you have on this or how much money you have on this, like how much more you're willing to risk than what you have, your risk to reward ratio that you're looking for, all that stuff. So, to be fair, I really depend. The strategy is yours, man. I cannot tell you if it's a get in or a get out. Only you can make that decision. The power is yours, Captain Planet. Yeah, dude. Let's keep on moving. XRP. On the 4 hour, look, we were looking for bearish divergence. We didn't have a new island, remember? We did move down slightly, which is okay. That's how the bearish divergence works. But we usually want to anchor this to a new positive momentum island, right? So here we would have been looking to anchor here, which we would have said, oh, look, we're developing divergence. But by the time this closed, right, we're slightly higher. So we're at 266. This is 315. We're definitely going higher. I'm going to get rid of this. I'm going to get rid of this. And also going to get rid of this. You're more looking at local targets and directions when I ask. Yeah, it's cool. Also, John happens to be a member of the PLC community, which I'm a member of on Discord. And yeah, I didn't know he was into crypto until he started like bashing XRP. And that was fun. So great stuff, man. Let's see what's going on here. So that's that, right? We don't have anything going on. We're higher on our side. Everything's good. Everything's great, man. We had this hidden bullish. We took it on support at the 20. Great stuff. Moved here. Found support at 29,894. And then took that very, very nice bounce. So I'm happy with XRP. You overbought at 82.29. I don't like the fact that it's overbought. It could move us down slightly. That's about it. What's happening on the 1 hour chart? Bearish divergence. Action to the downside. Found support. Took that bounce. Great stuff, dude. High, low, low, high, low, higher, low, negative, less negative, low on the other side, higher point. Nothing there. The bearish divergence that we have here did move us down slightly. At least we were live here. We did hit that 29,892. We managed to hold on to 20. Those were the targets that we looked for. We found support and took that very nice bounce. Now, are we doing something? Not really. High, higher high, positive, more positive, higher on the other side to a higher point. Even in the short time scale here, look. We're just coming higher, making more positive momentum, and higher on the other side, and it's all good for XRP. It could still go on running, man. That's why I'm not cutting my profits yet. It is flagging a little bit. That's okay. It doesn't have divergence to move down, but it is moving down slightly nonetheless. That is great stuff there for XRP. Let's go check out Litecoin. What is going on with Litecoin on the daily? Bearish divergence. Bearish divergence. Against the RSI. Potential fraction to the downside. We're still waiting for that. Still moving down right now. Not a lot going on. 2 days ago, it gained massively, 11% today. It didn't gain that much today, right? On the 20th, it just gained 1.25% today, actually, or tomorrow's technical tomorrow for the market. It's moving down slightly down, right? So it's all good. Overbought at 73.61. Let's go to the 4 hour chart and figure out what's going on there. We had the bearish divergence. We moved slightly down. We took a new bounce. What happened on that bounce? We created more bearish divergence, right? Look at that, man. Look at that. Ain't it golden? Oh, dude, by the way, tomorrow I'm going to be making some killer. What do we call this? Does they have a name? Pork burnt ends. I think that's a proper name for them. It's like when you do brisket and you have the burnt ends, but you just do it like pork belly. It's supposed to be as good. And I want to be doing that. And yeah, it's gonna be awesome, dude. Grilling. What's going on here? 65.56 on the other side. Again, bought. That's fine. We're moving down slightly. Again, target would be the 20 on the 4 hour. That 20 being at $78.36. Right now, sitting at $82.09. Not a lot going on after that. So let's move on to the 1 hour. What is going on with the 1 hour Litecoin? High, higher, high. Positive is positive. Again, bearish divergence. All right, look out, dude. It moves down. I'll just go from here to here, dude. It's still there. And this one, I just overextended. It should be there. Did I anchor this to 1 hour? Yes. It's all good then. Also high to low, right? Look at that. Strong bearish divergence. Action downside. Where are our targets? First at 20. Did we hit a 20? Check. We tried to rally. Did we go higher than the previous high? No. Now what's going to happen? We're going to drop again. Now low, higher, low, negative, less negative, low on the RSI to lower point. We are creating some hidden bullish divergence against the RSI, and probably why we're stalling here. So what could happen? Potentially a rally, maybe to the 20. See if we find support. If we fail there, we can try to move down again. On that note, let's go check out Binance. What is going on with Binance at $28.49? Dude, we managed to get above that $28.50 briefly, right? We talked about that yesterday. We had the bearish divergence. We moved down, hit that 20 consistently, found support, took a bounce, got above this area, but now we're breaking down. Oh no. Why? Let's go check out the daily. Moving down. Dude, that's great. Bearish divergence, move down. Like I said, dude, we're getting above the 20, but it's very forced, dude. It's like not we're moving above the 20. It's like the 20 crossed below us because it had nowhere else to go, right? It had to move. We're really pumping. Again, finding support at the 20 consistently, that's fine. Nothing here. High, low, positive is positive. High on the other side to lower point, neutral at 50.64. Just Binance hasn't done much, right? It's on the sideways bill. It's just moving sideways. Now we had the hidden bullish. We took that nice pump. Now what are we doing here? We are creating some strong bearish divergence on the 4-hour. Look, we're coming in higher. And we are moving lower. From high to low. And then we're also moving lower here. Actually, to the downside. Move down. Hit that 20. Found support. Great stuff. Found support again right now. Really trying to figure out what we want to do. We have this hidden bullish. Now we have strong bearish. Can still move us down more. Let's wait and see how this is going to keep on playing out for Binance. Neutral at 52.14 on the RSI. Let's go to the 1-hour chart. What's going on in the 1-hour? We had the bearish divergence. Moved down like we said. Found support at the 20. Took that bounce. Great stuff. High, higher, high. Positive, more positive. High on the RSI to a higher point. All good here. Now, why are we breaking down? We don't have anything here to break us down, right? High, higher. Even this previous high, it's higher. So we're just moving down because, dude, I'm not sure. Binance just wanted to move down, dude. It just seems that that was the case. It's really not developing anything here that should be triggering the move to the downside. At least on the technicals. Maybe on the 4-hour we had bearish divergence. I can't remember. Yeah, bearish divergence, right? So the 4-hour bearish divergence, this happened at the 10 a.m. candle. This should be very close to the area 8, right? This is the 10 a.m. candle, and then we move down. So yeah, the 4-hour bearish divergence is affecting us on the 1-hour, although the 1-hour was clear. So we move down, hit that 20, try to find support. We failed to go higher than the previous high, and thus we're dropping lower. Now, are we doing something good? Yeah, very, very good, man. At support at 28.50, right? We're going from a low to a higher low, and from negative momentum to more negative momentum, and a low point on the RSI. Nah, we don't have it against the RSI. It's fine. Yeah, we don't have it. So again, some hidden bullish. We could start stalling here. The only bad thing about hidden bullish, remember, we could still drop more. This will still make more negative momentum, and we will still have hidden bullish, right? Right now we have it. You gotta acknowledge it. We have near support. Chance we could try to hold on here and maybe pump a little bit on Binance. On that said, let's go check out Cardano. What is happening with Cardano? Oh, I usually do DVT. I'm just going to check it out real quick. It's sitting at 2.3 sats. I'll come back to DVT, though. Let's do Cardano real quick. Cardano on the daily, because, you know, why not? Just definitely going higher, right? Look, we had the bearish divergence. We moved down. Found support at the 20. Took this very nice bounce today. 11.71. Steve, dude, I hope you're still doing your Cardano, dude. It's doing good. I know you wanted to buy lower. You did have a chance, right? We did wick that 99 cent area, 9.9 cent area. Did move much below that. We called for support of the 20, so that's good. Getting above a fifth note, that's nice, dude. Above the 382. It's going to start retracing up to that 236, and that's going to be good. Now, are we doing something else? No, that's it, dude, right? We had this divergence. Dude, I'm not sure why I have this one here. This one should not apply. Do not apply. This one we just have against the MACD, and that's fine. Again, that's all good here, man, right? Was this from daily? It makes no sense where it's at. Weird. Makes no sense where it's at. Let's get rid of that. You have half your position. Awesome, bro. Well, let's go check out the 4-hour. Look, high, right? We had the bearish divergence here, right? On the 17th, we moved down on that. Found support. 2 pounds. We said we're not developing anything. We're just holding it to a 20. Kept on moving and, you know, found support here and then just bounced. So high, higher, high, positive, more positive. High on the RSI, higher on the RSI. Nothing bearish right now, dude. Nothing bearish. We keep on going. Still wanted to buy under 10. Yeah. Let's see if the 1 hour has something. Overbought 73.58 on the RSI. Let's go to the 1 hour, dude. Higher, more positive, higher on the RSI. Nothing bearish, dude. Look at that. We had last thing we had was this. We called it yesterday, 4 p.m. So we were here live here at like 9. We said hidden bullish, potential for a rally. Here, found support at the 20. How beautiful, dude. We found this nice support here. And just took a very nice pump, dude. Right? That's great. Might have to wait a bit longer. Yeah, dude, maybe if you want to get your position. Because this has nothing bearish right now. At least not short term. Let's see long term. 81.30. 83, dude. Even from here to here, we're still going higher. So, dude, there's nothing bearish on Cardano on the 1 hour. It's not good. Let's see Fear and Greed Index real quick. Where's it at? 91 yesterday. 86. Great. It just moved up again because Bitcoin pumped. Don't like that. I want Fear and Greed to like start receding slowly. That would mean that Bitcoin's current price, it is becoming the standard. And could be looking for another move up. Alright, so great stuff there. Great Scott! Let's go we'll do it, but fuck, I'm not sure. John Tejeda Jr., are you still with us, man? If you are, let me know and we'll check something out that you want to. Steve, if you have any other requests, man, I know you usually ask for like weird coins like Anchor or other stuff, but that's it. I'm not sure who's watching, dude. We have a couple of people in. Thank you all for tuning in. If you like what we do, hit that like, that bell, that sub. Some people here, some people on YouTube, some people on what else, dude? Some people on Twitch. Thank you for watching on Twitch, by the way. If you're on Twitch and you want me to look at something, let me know. Some people watching on Periscope, on the live, and here on YouTube. Thank you all for being here, guys. By the way, awesome Friday night. Hope you're enjoying it. I am for sure enjoying it. I'm having a good drink. It's very, very nice. It's a nice stream. If I finish this, I'm gonna get another one, and then another one, and another one. It's gonna be good. Oh, dude, this is really good. Maybe a little bit more salt for the next one, but that little spice, dude, of that pepper gives this drink a good kick, dude. You just feel it like back here on the throat. So nice, man. Right on. So we looked at Cardano. I'm gonna start doing DBT real quick because we just skipped over it. So again, if you guys know, I'm part of their marketing DAO. So I'm disclosing that up front. I'm not shilling the project. I'm not pushing it. I have stake in it. I bought some of this, a good chunk of it. So yeah, I have some skin in the game. So that's why I'm analyzing it. Right, I'm not pushing it. I'm not getting paid for them to do this. I actually don't even get paid to like talk about this project, but you know, it's good stuff. So let's look at the MACD, and let's look at the RSI also. Right on, man. What's going on here? Moving flat. What are we doing here? Are we doing something? It looks like we're doing some hidden, not hidden, type 2 bullish divergence, right? Just on a quick overview. Look, we're going sideways. We're coming high, less high, right? High, lower, high. So here we're just going flat, right? Running flat here. We're just coming in here and creating that hidden bullish potential action to the upside. We don't have it against the RSI. Who knew? What else are we doing? Nothing. They're just sitting flat at 2.3 sats. Let's go to the 4-hour chart. On the 4-hour chart. Right on. We're creating some hidden bullish. Look, high, higher, high. Positive. Sorry, negative, more negative. On the other side, we don't have that. But again, some hidden bullish. We could start stalling or trying to rally from here. I really wish this project did better. Now, I'm not too worried because, again, this is paired against Bitcoin. We're not looking at it against the dollar. So it has still managed to hold on to its value at like 4.4 or like 0.000446 cents. It was up to like maybe 0.001 at some point in time during the year. But it's still good, right? Like I was around here. Or maybe I was around here. Yeah, I was around here, I think. Yeah. So it got to like 0.001. So it could still do good. It's like, you know, I dropped a little bit, but I got in, like where it's at right now, I'm still doing extremely good, right? So I'm still profitable. I'm still doing great. I still get 1% every month on the UTXO, right? You get paid like interest for holding it on your wallet. So it's great, man. Shit, dude. Sorry about that. Wow, dude, weird. Let's check this out in the daily. What are we doing here? Low, high, negative, less negative, low, dark side to a hard point. We don't have anything except the strong bullish divergence that we had back here. From here to here. Now, remember what I said? If this fails to drop lower than here, where we're at right now, 2.2, we're still at 2.3. If we fail to drop lower than here, this bullish divergence could still kick in and try to get the price to go higher. So some good stuff happening here. Let's go check something else out. What do you guys want to see, dude? There's not one. The chat's dead, man. You guys can request stuff. I don't bite. We'll look at any project. We don't discriminate. We're crypto friendly. I'm gonna do RSR meanwhile, because you know, we haven't looked at RSR. I want to see how my position is doing. So again, my RSR position is tiny, dude. I just got into it for fun. This is like, you know, chump change that I threw in it. And how's it doing, dude? It's doing great. Ha! At some point in time, I missed this today. It did go up to what's the high here, dude? 2.54 cents. That's great. I'm taking a massive bidding here, by the way, if you guys know. If you know the story. Still looking at some of these crap bags. Awesome. I got in here at this green line at 3.1 cents. I was at 2.3, so yeah, I'm still taking a beating, but not as bad. At some point in time today, it wasn't that bad, dude. It was like an 18% loss, you know. It's not that big. And right now, I'm taking a 23% loss. Now, why am I not out yet? Remember I told you guys I want to see if we can do a deep retrace to that 786? Hey, that's what I'm waiting for. And it looks like we might try to actually target that area. So we hit the targets, right? I exited a little bit here. I exited a little bit here. I was going to exit more here, but then it looked like it was going to retrace more. So I want to exit higher, not take that much of a hit. Etienne. Nim. Sure, we'll look at those. Haven't seen Andrew dude in a while. Hope he's okay. Andrew, I hope you're doing fine. Where we are. So, who else not in? Nav. I haven't seen Nav in a couple days. So, and then Jake's probably busy coding or something, or with his kid. I know he gets his kid on the weekend sometimes, but if you're watching and you want to say hi, feel free to do so. Join us on live on YouTube if you're on the other platforms. I think that's what I just sent out. Is that what I sent out? Yeah, I sent out the YouTube channel. Great. He was in the Discord earlier? Yeah, dude, I saw Jake earlier in the Discord. Do we have this? Yes, we do still. Again, right? Remember, I said this could be one straight line from here to here. We're creating that divergence. Here it did play down. That's why I don't want to move it. Here it did move us down slightly for a day to that bounce. So in theory, we can still go from here, right? This one island to the next island, and this here it's 93524. It's 82, right? So it's less. So that's why I'm calling this divergence. I'm calling it. It's my coin. We do have this divergence here. Oh, snaps. There we go, dude. We don't have it against the RSI sitting bot or 69.60. Let's go to the 4 hour, man. What's happening on the 4 hour chart? Oh, no, we're going higher. High, higher, high. High to low, right? And also high to low here. Bearish divergence, man. Strong. Action to the downside. Oh no, what's gonna happen? Oh, we're gonna move down. That's what's gonna happen. Forgot to anchor, man. I have to, like, you know, keep on switching this. We have a new guest. The Obsessive Gardener. How's it going, Obsessive Gardener? Not much, dude. I'm talking crypto and drinking some stuff. So, good weekend. Yay. Yeah, but what's happening? Yeah, a lot of stuff is going up. Even RSR is going up, right? Again, bearish divergence. Moving down slightly, that's fine. Target could be the 20 right now, to the moving average at 20. So at 2.16 cents. Let's go to the 1 hour chart, man. This here cryptic, it's crypto. It's crypto analysis. We also do stocks, so you can ask anything. Stocks, analysis for crypto, coins, It's all good, man. I guess you're coming in from the pepper lover community because I posted there that I was live. So thank you for joining. I posted on the shameless plugin. Haha. Or shameless plugs. Oh yeah, you are there, dude. I just seen you. Awesome. You have a YouTube channel. Is this that been something? Dude? I think you posted a video. I see you. Yeah, this is not a pepper channel, dude. This is a crypto channel. So that's what I do. Cryptocurrencies and exchanges and stocks and trading live. Am I going to give away Apple stocks? No, I'm not giving away anything, dude. You don't give away stuff on YouTube. You get banned for giving away stuff on YouTube. Why would I be giving away Apple stocks? I'll give you pepper. Look at the mighty pepper. This is one of my, so Kang Star started this, right? He said, whiskey bottles. I did in a vodka bottle, though. And I got already one that's turning red. And then I got this one that's still yellow. And it started to get this black stuff, dude, which is weird. Because this is getting, like, these little black lines. Makes it very, very awkward. But this one's turning red, and this one's fine. This is Hungarian wax, yellow wax pepper. And I wanted to get seeds to keep on reproducing. So, I got good stuff here. So I do have pepper stuff, dude. That's why I'm part of the community. This one's a habanero ricotta mix. It still hasn't flowered, but it is good. It's like a very, very nice plant. It's still in a vodka bottle, but a very nice plant, right? And it's still like putting out tons of leaves, but it's really not putting out any fruit. So I'm thinking I maybe should start adding some different kind of fertilizer in to try to get the fruit to take off. I do it with the other ones, but they're fine. And then I have a lot of peppers behind my PC there. I'm not gonna show them all because this is not a pepper focused channel. It is a crypto focused channel. But every now and then I show my peppers, dude. What variety? That one's a habanero ricotta. The last one I showed. The second one was a Hungarian wax. I have some Carolina Reaper, Jay's Peach Ghost, Scotch Brains, Freeport Orange, what else, dude? I have some that are grown in Kratky. I have some that are grown in double cups. I have a lot of stuff, dude. Like this one's very nice, dude. Like this one's on a rum bottle, and then rum bottle's very nice. But like this is just a regular what do you call this? Cayenne pepper, right? I have 1, 2, 3, 4 here. The spicier peppers have not yet given fruit, so I'm waiting for those. And then I just transplanted some. Budholokia, which just started to become a seedling. And what else, dude? I got those from Matt's Peppers, and I just started some of them, and they're just starting to grow. So, what is the other one that came out? Yeah, the Lemon Starburst, the Kang Star Lemon Starburst, also just germinated, and I just transplanted it. I transplanted that one on the 16th, so 4 days ago. It's doing good on the cup. It's still a very, very small seedling. It just has its cotyledons. But it's doing good, man. So that's good stuff, There's a lot of stuff going on here. Ricotta cross with habanero. Yeah, dude, that's what the sit packet said. That's a habanero / or ricotta. So, who knew, right? Make a pepper coin. Crypto and peppers, I guess, tonight. Crypto, peppers, drinks, whatever, dude. It's all for a game. Get your Beacon 88. That's some very nice pepper plant. Yeah, dude. NFTs? Yeah, we should do pepper NFTs, dude. Let's keep on going. Right, so RSR, again, bearish divergence, moving down again. I was expecting that. We did get that movement down. Found the 20, hit support, take a bounce. Went slightly higher, right? Went slightly higher, coming in lower here, and coming in lower here, right? Strong bearish divergence. What are we going to do with strong bearish divergence? Move down again. What do we do? Move down. We're to the 20. Try to take a bounce. Failed to go higher than the previous high. Bearish divergence still in play. Then moving here. Now, what are we doing? Well, we are creating some hidden bullish right now. That could start to give us some support at this area. Maybe try to go higher. But that's still yet to be determined, right? We have it here against the MACD. And we have it here against the RSI. So that hidden bullish divergence is still very much live. We need to play with RSR. And with that, that is it. Steve, I hate peppers. Can't take the heat. Dude, there's some peppers that don't have a lot of heat. Like for me at least. The Hungarian wax is fine. It's not that hot. And then the other one, I hate moving this one because it's not cratchy. And basically, this used to be a Coke bottle or a club soda bottle. Can't remember what it was. But this is growing on a cratchy method. It's basically just put the nutrients in and the water in the plant. But this is a chiltepin pepper. And the root system is very nice here, dude. I'm not sure if you guys are going to be able to see this. You might be. Yeah. Look at that. I made my net cup, by the way, out of, recycled K-cups. Yeah. Or Keurig cups, and this is a root system. It's very long. So it does have a lot of stuff in there. Again, it's just growing on rocks, and it's very neat. Still young. It took a while for it to take off. And it has a good nutrients in, so I'm waiting for it to take off more. But it's growing very dense and small. And I don't want this plant to get huge because it is a wild pepper. And I want to keep this one small and kind of like a bunchy pepper, right? Like you just have it smaller. And these are very nice. They're like tiny red pearls. And they're spicy enough, and they're really, really good for food. Especially if you dry them out and crush them and put them in your food. They're extremely, extremely good. So I do have a lot of pepper stuff back there that I almost never show. Growing them is cool. I wish you could them with grow them on your fish tanks, dude. You could probably grow something there, dude. Havanna is habanero with your hit. Yeah, Havanna is good. I hate the taste. I hate the agony after. Do I have a window behind my PC? No, I don't have a window behind my PC. I have that behind my PC, which is like a small grow room. And then I have like seedlings that are starting up, or plants that are starting up. Some of them are not doing that good, and then some of them are doing okay. But yeah, that's what I have behind my PC. I have a lot of peppers, dude. I have 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, to like 26 peppers growing back there, man. So yeah, I made them myself, dude. They're self-made grow lights. I use my my stream lights, basically. So what I use for my stream, the lights that I have here, I just turn it around as a LED. And then the other one I made myself with cardboard. So it's like, it's free stuff, right? I can adjust it how I want. I can hang it from the ceiling, whatever. I still need to get a grow tent. So this is basically the first season that I'm growing peppers. You grow cherry tomatoes in your fish tank. So if you can grow cherry, you could get that symbiotic relationship where there's some stuff that the fish throw that provide nutrients for the plants, particularly nitrites and nitriles, right? So yeah, you could probably grow if you're growing cherry tomatoes off your fish tank That's gonna be. You should share that. You send me a picture of that, bro. I want to see that. I would definitely post that on the peppers community because that's gonna be that would be a really cool experiment. Have a fish tank and try to grow peppers out of a fish tank. That would be an interesting experiment. Like you could have that symbiotic relationship, right? Where the plant takes some nutrients from the fish tank that is basically the fish poop and whatever else in the water. So that could be interesting. Cherry tomatoes are nice. I have cherry tomatoes on my roof garden, and they put up a lot of tomatoes. I just had 8 plants. We ate tomatoes for a while, dude. So there were 8 plants of cherry tomatoes were enough. My peppers didn't do that good up there. That's why I have them here. And then I have 3 more plants in the balcony, and those are pretty purple. 2 are pretty purple, and then it's Scotch Brains. So I do have a lot of stuff going on there. Right now you have Ivy. Oh, dude. Get tomatoes again. So cool stuff, man. Thank you, Obsessive Gardener, for joining us here tonight. Awesome of you to be here, man. Thanks for the support. Yeah, and like he says, dude, the Habanada, it's not spicy. It's like a habanero, but like taste, but with zero spice. You're another one wants a lower tank. Awesome. Yeah, sure, you can run another one. You have like 10. Fuck, you have a lot of tanks, dude. Dude, post picture. I know you posted a picture of one of your fish, but post pictures of your fish tank on the Discord, man. That's gonna be tight. I want to see what your setup looks like. Anyway, since there's no requests, I'm gonna start looking at gold and silver, man. Let's see what gold and silver are doing. The gold and the silver. Yarr. Again, gold. Not doing much, right? Again, we found resistance at the 20. We're moving down. We came back onto the wedge. That's okay. So I'm not super excited for gold. Sitting at $1,869 per ounce. That's fine. Silver at $24.15 per ounce. What are we doing again? Rejecting the 1618. It's fine. Again, below 20. Not doing much. We don't have a lot of technicals on silver. We already established that. What's the Dow doing? Down 219 points. Below its previous all-time high that used to be here. We rejected it today. Moved down. That's fine. The all-time high itself here, right? 29,964. All right. I'll just try to pinpoint that there. Is that close enough? That's close enough. All right. Anyways, that's the all-time high and the all-time high. So that's good. Do we have something? No, we didn't have anything bearish. Dow Live moving down below its all-time high as well. You know, not a lot going on, dude. Just losing 134 points. S&P down 24 points. Again, following the rest of the markets. We had the bearish divergence here. We no longer have it up here. And here it did move down slightly. That was it. London up 42 points. Again, it's just moving down. We had the hidden bullish. We called it out. Potential moving up. We're getting it. That's fine. Not a lot going on. Nikkei down 106 points. Again, I remember I said Nikkei went up too high too quick. We're trying to get that moving down. Toronto up 109 points. That's $17,019 points. High, positive, high on the side to a higher point. Everything's good. Short-term bearish divergence. Again, I'm not going to put a lot of weight into this one. Big chance we could still move down, and just going to rather wait a little bit for it to settle. They are so ugly, filled with algae and shit. Okay. Yeah, dude, algae is an enemy of whatever plant you put in there, right? Algae would just, suck up nutrients and oxygen and something, other stuff from the tank. Anyways, West Texas, what is oil doing, dude? West Texas getting above that $42.10 mark. That's very good. We're at $42.21. Is that good? Yeah, it's good, dude. We're finally moving. Stuff I don't like immediately. Higher, lower, and we're going slightly higher here on the RSI. That's fine. I just bought at 60.55, but we're starting to create bearish divergence against the MACD. If this pumps, dude, this could easily get undone, right? For a moment, I was worried that the second COVID wave was going to start impacting, and with some countries in Europe shutting down, it was going to start impacting travel again. If it started to impact travel, that would mean that less people would be using cars to move around. And if that was the case, then there would be a surplus of oil, thus driving the price down because there was a lot of supply and not a lot of demand. So what's going on with Brent? Brent coming in higher. Look, oh no, what do we have? We still have that bearish divergence. We no longer have it against the RSI. Oh snap! And that is it. That we run through everything that we do here. If you have any questions, let me know. If you want to look at something, also let me know. And if you want to look at a particular coin, asset, or a stock in particular, let me know and we'll check it out. Yo, Toronto locked down today. What? Why did Toronto lock down again today? It's fine, fish try, but tanks look bad. Wife calls it your fish dungeon. That sounds like a kinky place. Like it could be like code for the what do you call it? The fish dungeon. It could be code for a strip club, right? I'm going to the fish dungeon. Yeah, titty bar. Let's go check out ETN and Nim. Sure, man. Really? COVID spiking? That sucks, bro. There's no alcohol being sold today in Mexico City for some reason. They stopped selling alcohol at 6 and they're going to start selling it again on Sunday or Monday. I'm not sure what the reason was, but it sucks. Let's go to Nim. Namek! What is Namek doing, dude? We're looking for the bullish divergence, which obviously broke further down. We still have it. We still got it. Look at that. Hidden bullish. So that's cool. Hidden bullish action to the upside, right? We popped. Great. We popped 15%. Yeah, I'm not sure why you're saying your coins are not doing anything. You could have bought some, gotten 15% gains today, and then right now moving down a little bit, but you still could have preserved a little bit of wealth in that pop. Getting to 2.24 cents, right? That's where Namek is at. Again, the hidden bullish did kick in. Let's go to the 4 hour. What do we have here? Look, we just kept on dropping. And what did we keep on doing? We still had this bullish divergence. We didn't have it against the RSI, that's fine. But we had it against the MACD, and it was enough for us to get that nice rally. Look at that. Dude, look at this, dude. It looks like someone's turning up the volume, right? It's like very small. It's like tiny, tiny candle bodies. And then they start becoming larger, 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 and larger. It looks like the volume's going up as it's expanding, right? It looks like an expanding wave. Which is weird. I think I haven't seen it. I haven't seen that often, right? Look, I'll even try to like make it as a cartoon, like that, and then like that, right? Like that, sonic boom, like it's like a hurricane path. Well, the hurricane you see is going to come through here. The weather might turn a little bit nasty up here in the keys of Nim, and you know, we're starting to flat out right now because you know we're getting a lot of downward pressure from this wave that we're getting from here. You know, the weather's pushing this down on this hidden bullish divergence. And with that, we're getting that price action to the downside. Well, back to you, Nim. Yeah, back to you, Tim, at the office. Or whatever. It looks like something from the Weather Channel, right? Like a path of something, dude. You know, we're just moving down slightly right now on the bearish divergence, right? So, bought at 60.84. Let's go to the 1 hour chart. What is happening with the 1 hour chart? Dude, we're coming in higher. And what are we doing over here? We're coming in lower. No. What's that? Strong bearish divergence, yes, sir. Actually, the downside. Look, we had the strong bearish divergence. We took this massive drop. Where do we go to? The 20. And then what happened? We gapped up on the opening gap. I'm not sure this data is right here. This is a huge gap. But it could be that we just dropped quickly and then we just gapped back up. You know, it happens sometimes. Gapping up and then moving down slightly more. Actually, the gap came all the way up here because we closed here and we opened up here. Some weird stuff. Anyways, neutral. 56.43 on the RSI. Let's go check out ETN. You need NIM to go up 300% to break even. Small position, but freaking funny. You get murdered. Well, what you can do is add more to your position at this point, and then you will just need to like equal to what your small position is, and then it just need to go up halfway. You don't have to go all the way up to 300%, right? You just need to go up 150%. And if you double it, all you need to go is up slightly less. Let's check out ETN. What is happening with ETN? Entertainment Network. Dude, where's ETN? We looked at that before. Here it is. ETN on the daily. Oh, shit. Snap. We had the bearish divergence, right? We called that one out. We haven't looked at this in a while. And look. Oh, no. We just broke down since. Hells no, dude. We try to pump slightly higher, I think, since we last looked at this. Yeah, very slightly higher, bro. Very, very slightly higher. And we just came much lower here. So I'm just going to call this strong bearish divergence. Action to the downside. You know, we already had bearish divergence. We just created more. And then we moved down there. Ooh, taking an massive drop. Low, lower, low, negative, more negative, low on the other side to lower point. Now, what do we do here? We came lower still. And we created some strong bullish divergence. Is this on the daily only? Nope. Daily on the 4 hour. I forgot the anchor. Quick clean up. Oh, snap. I didn't want to go to the 4 hour. I wanted to set that. Stay on the freaking daily, man. There we go. Anyway, so we said we had strong bullish divergence. Yes, we did. Yes, we have. Yes, we do. Look at that. Boom, boom, boom. Great stuff. Great Scott. What do we have here? Low, high, possibly more positive, high, and there's a higher. Yeah, it's fine. Neutral at 41.81 on the RSI. Let's go to the 4-hour chart. What is happening here on the 4-hour chart? The 4-hour chart looks really messy. I don't even want to mess with this. It looks like, freaking radio signal. Low, lower, negative, more negative, low on the RSI to lower point, right? We care about what's happening short term. That's it. Low, lower, negative, more negative, low on the RSI to lower point. Nothing bullish. Low, high, low, high, low, high. Nothing bearish, right? We'll leave it as it is. I might want to go to the 1 hour, dude. It's looking too weird there. Coming here. We had that strong bullish here on the 1 hour chart for Tronium. Let's just anchor this here to the 1 hour chart. Here we're doing on the daily. That's awesome. There we are. 386, 34, slightly less. Lower also on their side. So I was looking for some hidden bullish here. We don't have it. Sorry, hidden bearish, which we don't have. What is this? 343, 331. So slightly less still. Also lower. So nothing bearish, dude. We just keep on dropping. We keep on dropping, Captain. Look at that. From here, right? Low, lower low. From the previous island to new island. Bullish divergence. Strong for potential action to the upside. Here short term, we would get it from here, though, right? And it would be from here to here. Right, so again, this against the RSI, and then here against the MACD. Action to the upside, we should be getting that moving up. We're really not getting it. We're getting it above the 20, that's fine, but we're getting pressure down. And I don't like that because we don't have anything bearish. And we're just getting that downward pressure. It's just failing to go up. Can I get some extra bullish, please? Large size to go? Or is that to go? You want fries with that? Bosch is saying something in the chat. The Bosch. Yo, what else? Okay, something else, dude. I just got through one drink. We've been live for about an hour and 10 minutes. I'm gonna go get another drink. I'll be right back, and we'll see if we keep on doing something else. Come up with new coins to look at. ETN is a hugely developed project with a massive community that can't get any price traction. Yo, same as DVT, bro. We're struggling to get price action on DVT. It has really solid developers and really good stuff that they're trying to solve. It's just not happening quickly. I'm gonna get another drink. I'll be right back. Yo, I'm back. Do you guys find any coins to look at? Awesome, we're back. Let's look at KCS, right? Kansas City Southern, right? That's the railway. KCS, dude. Have we looked at KCS here before? I doubt it, dude. We looked at KNC, but not KCS. Let me see if we've looked at it down here. No, we haven't looked at that. I think it's a new coin. I think we have. No, we haven't looked at this before. Good call, man. We haven't looked at this. Good coin. Cheers, new drink. Oh, dude. First, like when it's new before the eyes dilute, that spiciness kicks in a little bit more, man. It's really, really tasty. So, alright, let's look at KuCoin. What's it doing, dude? Low, lower, right? We can work with this. Low, low. I want to ignore this on account that it's almost negligible. Almost non-visible on the chart. There's two really, really tiny islands there. Here on the RSI, we are coming lower. So we have some strong bullish divergence. We get in that pop, hitting the 20, and we're rejecting today. How much did it pump? 5%. It wasn't that huge. Sitting at 80 cents, 80.15 cents. Let's go to the 4 hour, man. Lower, more negative. Lower on the RSI, dude. Where's the previous low? Low, lower, low, negative. Right, lower. It's good there, man. It's good. Look here, man. Right on the 4 hour. I'm glad it's doing something. I'm not glad that it's doing the wrong stuff. Looking from here, positive, more positive. And high point on the RSI to a higher point. Bearish divergence, hidden, action downside, moving down. Where to? Again, very likely target will be the 20. So 20 being at 77 cents. So it's not really a huge drop. See, 3-cent drop. Let's see. Let's measure percentage-wise from where we're at right now. We're looking at a 3% drop. It's not even that big. It's okay. Let's not be crybabies with KNC. KCS, sorry. This was only supposed to be on the daily. There we go. So okay, we had a crash, flash bounce, right? And then like continuation. So it's like, oh, continue. You may continue and you crash. This looks really cool, dude. This looks almost like a perfect curve. Like, you know, we're coming like this. Like, oh yeah, dude, we're curving. We're curving. Swerve. Right, so low, higher low, higher low. Nothing bullish on the 1 hour, dude. I'm assuming more. Low, higher low, and higher low. Negative, positive, low on the RSI. Higher points, dude. There's nothing bullish here. Again, probably running off the bullishness that we created on the daily, I guess, because with the 4 hour we didn't have anything. Look, I'm not fighting a lot for this bounce, right? Yeah. So do we have something bearish? That would be the current question. 264, 259. Even from way back here to here, it is slightly less. And then here, we also have this movement, right? Right on, look at that, man. It's a beautiful, beautiful thing to chart and see. We're gonna start discussing this in a second. Look, right, so one of the moves is from here to here, right? From low to high, and then the other one is shorter. Right, so against the RSI, we do have that strong bearish divergence on a shorter time frame. And then on the larger time frame, we have the bearish divergence against the MACD, but within the same island, right? We could come to this other island, from go high, to a higher high, and then we will be good. But, you know, within the same amount, we are creating bearish divergence. Strong for potential action to the downside. So, yeah, good stuff going on. Yeah. So anything else y'all want to look at? I'm not sure who's watching or how many people are watching, but if you're here, thank you for being here and sticking around with me. That's a good drink. Gotta get off my whiskers. Yo, so that's it for KuCoin. Let's go back to Bitcoin and see how Bitcoin's faring. Ooh, not too good. 18,644. Oh no, we already bounced at the 20. What is this sorcery that we called and said that we might do half an hour ago or about an hour ago? Steve, sorry man, I'm fading work. Tomorrow I need some rest. That's good, man. I'm gonna also call it a stream for tonight. It's been a fun stream. Is XRP going down? No, XRP still going up. What? Dude, for reals? Again, holding on support, right? Look, last candle. Managed to close above right now. Move down and push back up. I do believe XRP for some reason might retest 32.76 cents. That's it, dude. Guys, that's going to be it for tonight. Again, thank you for watching. If you like what we do, hit that like, that button, that sub. This is Stellar Crypto. I'm your host, Martin. It's a pleasure being here with you guys tonight for this awesome stream on this awesome day on Friday night. Wonder if we break through here. Dude, maybe, dude. I hope that Bitcoin goes higher, man. Oh, dude, I'm hoping we found the 20 would bounce and we managed to go higher. Again, remember, we are in this midland. We have the bearish divergence. We're in this midland. We could be taking a breather. It's going to be the weekend, remember? Weekend, we could flag a little bit on the weekend, right? This Saturday already for this candle. So this Saturday candle is being lazy and chilling, right? It's not being productive yet. So, you know, we're chilling, right? Saturday and Sunday could be slightly down moving and then come up Monday to get to all-time highs. Right? Anyways, unless we get a surprise day, tomorrow I will still be here. But that's going to be it for tonight, guys. Again, take care. I'll catch you again tomorrow for another edition of Stellar Crypto. Until then.